Hi, my name is Don Lurt. I'm a mobility consultant with Kersey Mobility. Today I just want to give you a little demonstration on what's called a transfer seat base. That's a power folding ramp with the power kneel system. Come on in, let me show you what you have the capability of doing. If for any reason you have a difficult time transferring from your wheelchair or scooter to the front passenger or front driver position, what we have is what's called the transfer seat base. What it will do, it will actually come all the way back, and it comes back a long ways. And what you can do is you can align the wheelchair or scooter to the side here, hit the second button, and it will actually move sideways, and then you're able to transfer from seat to seat, which will make your transfer much easier for you. Then all you do is turn this switch back in, and just bring yourself forward, seatbelt yourself back into position, and you are ready to drive away. If you have any questions or comments about this, please give us a call here at Kersey Mobility, 253-863-4744, or visit us on our website at www.kerseymobility.com. Thank you.